If push-ups leave your shoulders and neck sore but your core untouched, something is off. Let's fix that. In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly why your push-ups aren't changing your body, and 3 simple fixes that turn every rep into real full-body strength work. A proper push-up moves roughly 60 to 65% of your body weight, so it should feel like a serious whole-body effort, not just arm pumping. If it doesn't, something in the system isn't working. A push-up isn't just a chest or arm exercise. Done properly, it trains 3 main things at the same time. First, shoulder stability, not just chest strength. Yes, the pecs and triceps work hard, but studies also show high activation of muscles like the serratus anterior and other scapular stabilizers. These muscles keep the shoulder joint centered and healthy as you press. That's why push-ups, especially push-up plus variations, are used in rehab. Not to build bigger arms, but to train shoulder control. Second, core anti-extension and trunk stiffness. In a straight body push-up, your abs are working to stop your lower back from sagging. Interestingly, when people bend at the hips or flex the trunk, abdominal activation actually drops because the leverage becomes easier. More advanced variations, like suspension push-ups, can drive core activation very high, but only if the trunk stays organized. Third, force transmission from hands to feet. A standard push-up loads about 64% of body weight. That load shifts up or down as you elevate the hands or feet. The entire point is to move that mass as one rigid unit. If any link bends, force leaks, and the exercise stops being truly full body. The push-up is basically a moving plank. The more your body wobbles, sags, or breaks, the less you're training the system. This is where things usually go wrong. When the lower back overextends or the hips pike, abdominal demand drops and spinal stress goes up. Your arms keep working, but your core push-up quietly turns into an arm exercise plus a spine hinge. Poor scapular positioning reduces serratus efficiency and shifts load toward the front of the shoulder. Instead of training shoulder stability, you rehearse unstable mechanics, which often leads to cranky shoulders with more volume. Forward head posture, incomplete depth, and no real lockout all reduce time under tension in the right positions. You get very good at doing a lot of low-quality reps that mainly create local arm fatigue. When that happens, push-ups still make you tired and a bit stronger in the arms, but they stop being a true full-body exercise. 3 cues that turn push-ups back on. Here are 3 cues that fix most of this. First, lock the plank before you move. Set up with hands under shoulders. Lightly screw the palms into the floor. Squeeze the glutes. Stack the ribs over the pelvis. You should form a straight line from your ears to your shoulders to your hips to your ankles. If you can't hold this position statically, you're not ready to move 60+% of your body weight through reps. Regress the angle, hands on a bench or wall, and earn the position first. Second, push the floor away with your shoulder blades. On every rep, think chest to floor, then spread the floor away. This allows the shoulder blades to wrap around the rib cage instead of winging or shrugging. That's what turns push-ups from simple pressing into shoulder stability training. Third, move the whole body as one unit. A simple cue helps here. Chest and thighs leave the floor together. Chest and thighs land together. No leading with the head, no hips lagging or shooting up. If you lose that unity, elevate the hands to reduce the load from around 64% to something closer to 40–55% and rebuild control. Push-ups are a full-body, core-heavy exercise, but only if your body behaves like one connected piece from hands to feet. Fix these 3 things, and push-ups stop being just tiring and start building strength that actually transfers. If this clarified why push-ups haven't given you the results you expected, the next video shows how walking and daily movement support this same system without adding more workouts.